Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to review a book that's been a game changer for me and so many other women in our personal finance journey. Rich Bitch by Nicole Lapin. This book breaks down financial literacy in a way that is relatable, practical, and fun. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your financial game, this book has something for everyone. Stick around as I break down some of the best tips from the book and how you can apply them to your life. So, why is Rich Bitch different from other finance books out there? Well, first off, Nicole Lapin brings an unapologetically bold and no BS approach to talking about money. She is conversational, sassy, and doesn't hold back when challenging traditional ideas about women and finance. What I loved most about her approach is that it's designed for women who may feel overwhelmed or intimidated by money management. I know many of us do. Instead of throwing complex words at you, Lapin simplifies everything with easy-to-understand language, and she's not afraid to get real. She has been through her own financial struggles and uses her experiences to show that anyone can turn things around. Nicole also has this unique take on budgeting that I think is eye-opening. She doesn't push a one-size-fits-all budget. Instead, she talks about the importance of building a budget that reflects your lifestyle and goals, which she calls a spending plan. Her system is broken down into 3 categories: essentials, the stuff you need to live, like rent and groceries; endgame, like saving and investing for future goals; and extras, the fun stuff, like dining out, travel, and shopping. By dividing your money into these buckets, it's easier to manage your spending without feeling restricted. She's all about enjoying your money now while still planning for the future, which I love. Another big highlight from the book is how Nicole encourages us to stop being afraid to talk about money. Money is often seen as this taboo subject, especially among women. But Nicole stresses the importance of getting comfortable with having those tough conversations, whether it's negotiating your salary, setting financial boundaries with family, or just being honest with yourself about your spending habits. She even provides practical scripts for how to talk about money in these different scenarios. And that, for me, was super helpful. Sometimes we know we need to have these conversations, but don't know where to start. Her scripts take away that fear of saying the wrong thing. Nicole also has a whole chapter on developing what she calls a boss bitch mentality when it comes to finances. This is all about owning your financial decisions, getting confident, and taking control. She talks about ditching the guilt and shame that often comes with money mistakes, whether it's overspending or debt, and instead focusing on what you can do to fix it. Lapin is big on empowering women to take the lead in their own financial lives. She emphasizes that you don't need to be an expert to make smart money choices, you just need to start. It's about taking small actions consistently and not letting fear hold you back. Now, let me share how this book impacted me personally. One of the things that hit home for me was Nicole's point about prioritizing your financial health first, instead of always trying to cut out everything. I used to feel super guilty about spending money on myself, like getting a haircut, but her advice on building my financial stability first was a total wake-up call. The exercises she includes, like writing down your money goals and tracking your habits, were really enlightening. I actually sat down and did these, and it helped me see where I was falling short. This is one of those books you don't just read, you work through it. Overall, Rich Bitch by Nicole Lapin is one of my favorite personal finance books I've read, especially for women who are new to managing their money or who feel like traditional finance advice doesn't resonate with them. It's practical, empowering, and gives you real tools to take control of your financial future without feeling overwhelmed. If you're ready to stop letting your money control you and want to start controlling your money, this book is for you. I definitely recommend picking it up. And if you've already read it, let me know in the comments what your biggest takeaway was. If you feel like this book is just what you need, feel free to use my link in the description box. I promise you this is a great book to have. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more finance tips, book reviews, and money mindset strategies. I'll see you in the next video.